National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a high wind warning, which is in effect from noon Monday to 4 p.m. Tuesday. For Hancock, Wyandot, Marion, Morrow and Knox counties, Ohio. Sustained north to northwest winds will increase to 30 to 40 miles an hour, with gusts of 55 to 60 miles an hour. The highest winds are expected Monday afternoon through Tuesday afternoon. Strong winds combined with saturated ground will result in downed trees and utility lines. Power and travel will likely be interrupted in some places later Monday through Tuesday. Damage to roofs and siding are also expected to occur, and any loose objects will be blown around. A high wind warning is issued when sustained winds of 40 miles an hour are expected for at least an hour, with gusts of 58 miles an hour or greater at any time. Damage to trees, power lines, and property are possible with wind of this magnitude. If you have a high-profile vehicles, be extra careful until the wind subsides. Stay tuned to Weather Radio for further details or updates.